That is it. I'm going to put in my Maggi. The Robinson Family TV, I do it, you know. This is my way. So me love it. Yeah man, so I got dig in here now, see? Yeah man, my baby mother just asked me for coconut me buy. But me I tell her, I said no. I just a mixture though. Yeah man, so I this left, you know. And I got done it, you know. Yeah man. So you don't know, you know guys. There and I through there. I go and feed my face, you know. And I watch Junior Lifestyle.
Why the IG make up so fire?
Yeah man. So you don't know the thing go. See Mickey and Stretch post though. I'll watch them after this done. You know? Yeah man, I saw it go man, and if Drizzy post, but they're there. Want to like, share and subscribe to the Robinson Family TV, you know. You get what I say? I beg you to do that. Subscribe to the channel, you know. Yeah man, get the bad visual and bad vlogs them, you know.
And remember me tell us if tell a friend to subscribe. Alright.
Yeah man, so the peas now already soak. So I light the fire. Yeah man, so it'll go and get itself together now, you know. So watch how I go on. Type peas in a pot, you know guys. Yeah man, so start boil. Yeah man, no thing go. So I was just say, oh yeah, so I was just say meat time, you know. So watch how I go on. China guys, nice lovely chicken around here. Fry me and fry them, so I'm not gonna cut them that small, you know. Yeah man, so this is it, you know guys. Yeah man. Chicken fat and nice, you know. Juicy, you know guys. Yeah man. Right, make a little adjustment. Yeah man, as we say, chicken juicy and nice, you know. Yeah man, some nice piece of chicken look like them are just reaching at the shop. Yeah man, just reaching at the shop. So you know, say Sunday dinner nice today, you know what I go on. Yeah man, fresh and clean. So I'm gonna get some water upon it guys and cut a one lime. You know? Yeah man. That is it. Guys, so I'm just get it first rinse off. I'm cut a line on it and rinse it again, you know. I'm gonna cut them up, yeah. I'm gonna get it first rinse off, you know. Yeah. And then I'm gonna cut a line on it now to kill the rawness, you know guys. See this? Come on, let's see this guys. fat and nice lime, you know. Full of juice, you know. Yeah, man. Look at this. See that, guys? Alright, wash off my meat board already, so clean, you know. Clean, because you know cleanliness is the way to go. Yeah, so I'm not going to bore you with the process of cutting up the meat, but when I season it up, I get back to you, alright? Yeah, man. So watch your journey. Blessed, and keep tuning up. Don't change the channel. Don't change, don't skip. You see what I say? You say if the ads come up, I beg you to watch it. You see what I say? Help the channel grow up. Bless. Alright guys, so we're finally done. Cut up a meat and also wash, clean and nice. So as you can see them, I don't like the skin them on the meat, so we normally skin them off, see? Yeah, so that. So I'm gonna season up my meat them now, guys. So I'm gonna bring it down a little bit closer. I'm gonna sew her go on right there, so see? So that. Yeah guys, so first thing first, we have a Maggi all purpose. Throw it on. Then we have a Maggi chicken. Throw it on. We have a pimento. We have a pimento berries, guys. I wash them and throw them on. That is it. Alright, we have a little thing we call season to the bone. So throw on a little. We're not using salt, you know, guys, because them season, them already have in them little salt, you know. Yeah, man, so we have a balance. We have a jerk, retail jerk, so that's gonna put a little, not much. Yeah, that is it. This we have a garlic season, even though we are gonna use an official. The next farm a chicken season. Yeah, not gonna use not much high. Yeah. Put a flavor in it, you know. So on chicken season. Alright, so go crush piece of garlic put in it. for crush the garlic now. Just want to drop it in because I'm going to fry it up. Strip with scallion, guys. Fuck it up in there. Drop in a piece of thyme, guys. Cut up a 1 pepper. Bring up the flavor, you know. Yeah, man. That is it. Wash your onion. Cut a piece in it as well. Nice smelling, guys. So I'm going to rub in this. Now we're going to put in the garlic. You know, now put in the browning. I'm going to fry them naturally. Now what we'll do this, for the Caesar soak and for the oil also reach the bone, you know, so the thing fry good, nice, no raw food. That is it, you know, guys. So I make the meat, go and marinate. Meanwhile, we're gonna sort out some other stuff for with rice and peas. You don't know the thing go. Keep tuned, blessings. Yeah man, and thanks for watching. Alright guys, so this is the pot for fry the chicken, you know. Just go on, you know. Yeah man, so the water dry out. Yeah man. Peace pot. So time for sink them, you know. Yeah man, them a go on, you know, do them thing. That is it. So see pot here dry out good, you know guys. So you know when it done, I'll add throw, you know, pepper and garlic. You see me I say? And bring the fire to the right temperature to fry the chicken. Then you know game on. That is it. So I make this go on hot now, you know guys. Then I know what I'm going after. That is it. On guys, I'm just think the peas a while ago. Yeah man, so when the peas then cook, you know, now so the coconut milk are going in, you know. Yeah man, then I wash my rice and, you know. Yeah, that is it. Chicken look good though. Yeah man. This right there, you know, golden brown. See that sound? Golden brown, you know. This piece of while ago, me I tell you, not normal. But now, coconut milk time. Yeah man, so I mix my coconut milk, so let's me doing that. Yeah man guys, they are on it, you know. On your candle, mix with a Maggi, you know. So we get a consistent mix out, so you know what time it is. Yeah. Pot cover dash off guys. Alright. Yeah man, so that's that. Season up the pot, you know, so I put in scallion, re-scallion it, my onion, hot pepper, and I put in my Maggi. Yeah man. Re-season, you know, that is it. Yeah man, next step of cooking after, you know guys. Yeah. Yeah man, so then we have one more step to fry, and then we're going to gravy time, you know. Yeah man, that is it. Peas there, so I'll go and blend in coconut juice now, you know. Yeah man. Nice flavor I'll pick up, you know. Yeah man. That is it. Alright, so this is fry already. Yeah man, and this now, I'm a little gravy when I'm going to make you now, you know. Man, so I'll throw this in the pot. Yeah man, all of the goodness, you know. Yeah, so chicken over there, so see me. Show now a glimpse of the rice and peas. I put in my rice already, you know guys. How that look? I simmer them nicely. Yeah man, so this is my gravy there, chicken, that. So everything will come down. Yeah man, everything will come down nice, you know guys. Yeah man, so you don't know the thing go. But there you do it. Yeah man, that is it. Yeah man, so but there you do it man. So as me say, like the video, share the video, don't afraid to comment on the video. You see me I say? With a 423 subscriber now. Help we grow guys. Yeah man, that is it. Take a look on that guys. That's rice and peas are simmer down. You know I go. Yeah man. The Robinson Family TV I do it, you know. You know. Yeah man, tell me say that no look good. Looking great though. Tastes good too, you know. Yeah man, you know I go. Alright ladies and gentle people. Yeah man, look what I go on here. Rice and peas. Basically ready, you know guys. Look at that. And I remember how far down it did there. Let me just start. Look at the rice though. This is what my hand do to rice here. My hand swell rice from day one. Yeah man, swell it. You see that? Shelly and nice, you know guys. Nothing nasty and nice. There's a touch of grain and just shell up. Shell up, shell up, shell up, shell up, shell up. That is it. So that basically ready. Guys, so this is my sauce, you know guys. Yeah man, this is my gravy, you know. See it look. This does cook down with the Irish, the carrot, the sweet pepper, hot pepper. You don't know, put a little brown in the night. Dash in my ketchup. Throw a little one Maggi all purpose over it. And stir him up and make him boil down. Thick and nice, you know guys. So you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna drop in my chicken. Yeah man. Drop in my chicken them one you know guys. See that? Some like it. Everybody do them thing different. This is my way. Some me love it. So some me do it. See, everybody have them own opinion. Yeah man, so see that guys. Tell me that no look good. Stir it round. I'm simmer down little. Soak in. You know the love, you know? Yeah. Look at that. Oh God man. That no look good. Tell me say that no look good. Yes man. Fry them and them dump them after, you know? That is it. So I'm gonna leave this for go and soak liquor and then I take it off. So you see next time and I play it to not go see it, you know guys. Come on, that's it, you know guys. We're ready. So I'm just turn off the meat pot now. Turn off the rice pot. So sharing time, you know. Yeah. Them on all stove off. So we'll share what you know, you know. Plate them well clean and I wait for the food them in a guys. So first thing first. meat them, you know. Yeah guys, so this is it, you know.
Lovely.
So we're catching up back for the next one. Yeah man, so we're gonna dig in and now see. Thanks for watching. Yeah man. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah man, D Robinson Family TV at it, you know. You get what I say? Help us grow with the 423 sub. If we want to reach 1,000. You get what I say? Please like and share. Respect and manners. Give thanks for the support. All returning subscribers, my respect. All new subscribers, my respect. Give thanks and blessings. Sin? Yeah man, up and running. Yeah man, my baby mother just asked me for coconut me buy. But I tell her I said no. I just a mixture though. Yeah man, so I this left, you know. And I got done it, you know. Yeah man. So you don't know, you know guys. There and I stew there. I go and feed my face, you know. And I watch Junior Lifestyle.
Why did you make up so fire?
Yeah man. So you don't know the thing go. See Mickey and Stretch post though. I'll watch them after this done. You know? Yeah man, I saw it go man, and if Drizzy post, me there. Any one of the vlog of them. You see me I say? Post, me there.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so I saw it go.
Okay.
Watch all of them. Give them my support. All when them now support me, I support them. Because I don't know, say we are one family though. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And thanks for tuning in to the Robinson Family TV, you know. Big up and blessings. to like, share and subscribe to the Robinson Family TV, you know. You get what I say? I beg you to do that. Subscribe to the channel, you know. Yeah man, get the bad visual and bad vlogs them, you know.
And remember, me tell you, say, for tell a friend to subscribe.